here we go with the new stuff. So, yeah, everything in the videos that you sent in looked good, sounded good. So here we go with the new number one, a little bit fancier with the legato ascending up. All the strings there. Get your pinky, ring finger, and your middle finger involved. So here we go, 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, let me turn this up a little bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Okay. Number 2. A little bit shorter. Working some descending stuff. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a slide at the end there. Pick the 10, slide up to the 12. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. All right. What is that? All right, number 3. Sweep picking with 3 strings. Okay. So, with the A minor shape, we're going to start with the index finger. So first, and then the way you were doing the 2-string shape. Just add that first finger at the start. So picking, you're going to have 3 downstrokes in a row. And then you got your hammer on pull off, and then the 1 upstroke in a row. Now, when you're doing this, try and zoom in here. The pick, the way you want it to tilt is basically like this. So you want the pick the point of the pick up towards you, the butt of the pick towards the ground. This way, it can glide across those strings. If it's this way, the pick's going to get stuck in the strings. So we don't want the pick to be angled like this. We need to angle it this way, or slant. Don't slant it this way. Slant it that way. So this way, it glides across the strings. So when I'm doing this, you got your 3 downstrokes in a row, and I'm barely angling or slanting the pick, barely, but I'm definitely not coming in this way. It's just barely going that way. And then you have that one upstroke, so down, 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 up. So you pick up and away from the guitar, up and away. This allows us to start the 3 downstrokes again. Now, as you get to the top there, notice how my hand flips out like that. Because by the time I'm up there, I can change direction more easily and not get stuck in the strings, or get stopped by one of them. So, what am I talking about? So you got the 3 downstrokes, and on that last one, I'm kind of turning away this like that, because if I was to continue going down this way, let's put it like this. If I'm picking, look what happens when I pick in or pick down. I've picked down in between the strings. If I pick down, if I pick down with the pick angle like this, now I'm out and away from the strings. So when you're flipping the direction here, that change of the slant at the end allows us to get past that E string more easily, so we can hit that B string on the upstroke and then turn the pick back this way. Excuse me, I'm going to take a cough drop. Why my throat gets like this sometimes, but it does. Alright. Anyway. So again, you start with the pick slanted this way. As you get to that high E string, you got to turn your arm so the pick goes out like that. I'm exaggerating the movement right now. So now your pick is free and clear to hit that B string on the up. But you also got to rotate the arm again, so this way you can start your downstrokes. So, it's very subtle when you get going fast, but that's the general idea of this. So, got the, zoom out a little bit and try and keep this angle though. Wrong way. Okay. So, the A minor, B diminished. So just like before, basically all 3 of these you're going to start with the index finger on the G string. And then you use the same fingers you did for the 2 string arpeggios. So, let's get into it here. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like we talked about before, with the idea of trying to make it really smooth, don't worry about that yet. As you get faster, your hand won't have a choice but to go much smoother. So just keep the whole pick slant idea in mind as you're going faster and faster. And just basically when you're doing the downstrokes for the first 3, don't have your pick slanted this way. At least think maybe like parallel and just kind of slightly down like that. And then you should be okay. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. One 80. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, if you can get faster than 240, do it. Definitely do it. Okay, so I think that covers all the new stuff. Any questions come up, let me know. I will see you again next week.